Welcome back to Cash Collect, where we're always on the lookout for the latest and greatest ways to make money online. Today, we've got something really special in store for you. A method that lets you earn up to $800 a day using Google News. And the best part, it's a simple copy and paste method that anyone can do. But before we dive into this exciting opportunity, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to teach you today how to make $1,400 per day consistently. Furthermore, the strategy I will show you today does not involve any sort of sales, experience, or affiliate marketing on your part. Just copy and paste some text into the appropriate spot. Here on Google's front page, I'll show you the ropes of a system that will pay you repeatedly. The Google homepage, google.com, is where you need to be. Surely everyone here is familiar with this site. Click on google.com. If you put in Google News, news.google.com, Google's official Google News site will come up first. The first link here will take you straight to the main Google News page. This website is very much like an electronic newspaper. Anything you might possibly want to know about the globe, your community, the economy, science, technology, entertainment, sports, your riches, and so much more can be found on this page. And if you look to the left where my pointer is, you'll notice that there's some news like global and local stories that we're going to ignore because you don't want them. Our scope will be quite narrow. We will only be considering matters of commerce, electronics, the arts, athletics, physics, and finance. Given that these are the only available options, your next move should be to select one of them. Moreover, health is the topic of today's video. Right, if you choose health as your topic, you would get the most current news stories related to that field. Then, let's have a look around and see what we can discover. In that case, I'd like to scroll down to the section on vitamin D because it's something I'm really interested in. Well, I wonder what that link takes you to. The entire procedure may be reduced to a matter of copying and pasting. Thus, in essence, you want to duplicate the entire article. Also, we cannot simply go and earn money off of this essay, as it was written by another person and would be considered an infringement of their rights if we were to copy and paste it verbatim. We'd want you to copy the entire article. Well, I guess this will have to go up here. Okay then, here is where it has finally arrived. It is recommended that you copy the text from the article and then paste it into a website called Spinbot, spinbot.com, which is this website over here. This program will take the text you copied and pasted into it and reformat it so that it sounds like it was written by you. That will be an entirely new article on the same subject as the one we just plagiarized. All you have to do is select all, copy, and paste it into the box below before clicking the button to make it spin. This little snapshot is all that's needed to prove that you're a person. You just move it in this manner and set it down here. So, once you've finished with it, go ahead and completely rewrite the article. Thus, call it a new blog post, a new article, or something else. What you should be doing now is using the strategies I'll show you for making money online on the many websites mentioned in this post. This post will earn you money, and I'll teach you how to get paid $1 per word. As you can see, each article doesn't need to be tens of thousands of words long to be lucrative. As you can see, there are 2,536 characters in just this one. This is so long that I refuse to count the number of words in it. In this case, you should probably make a copy of this article and store it in a text file on your computer for future reference. This same website, eatingwell.com, is the online business you'll be monetizing. For every 1,000 words you provide, this website will pay you $1. If you don't feel like putting in the time and effort to write the article yourself, you may use the program I just showed you to do it for you. With Google News and Spinbot, it's a breeze to produce articles without worrying about plagiarism. You will not be required to engage in any form of sales or affiliate promotion. For example, If you create a 500-word essay for this website and are paid $1 per word, you will be compensated $500. Also, there is zero waiting time and zero cost involved. Indeed, you may get started on it immediately. So, how exactly do you go about submitting that article so that you may get paid? As you can see, the website requires you to submit your work in exchange for monetary compensation based on the number of words it contains. Your first order of business while visiting this website should be to get the contact information provided in this section. Let me simply copy this email when you've done it. You should write them an electronic message to let them know. This is the content of the email you should be writing. For that reason, the address for electronic correspondence is westbrook@eatingwell.com. To avoid making any blunders, please copy and paste the text below. We recommend using content submission as the subject line. And this one is, "Hey, I have an essay I'd want to submit to you guys. Please respond. I eagerly await it." After you're finished, please paste your content into this section. To do this, you must recopy the original article, reopen the email, copy the text, and paste it in the appropriate place. Then hit send. If they're impressed by the piece, they'll reply to your email and request payment information. If you'd rather not send an email, you can also fill out the form on this page. In its place, it will display this form for your submission. When they contact you for further information and ask how you'd want to be paid, you'll have everything you need to fill out the form. To get paid using PayPal, all you have to do is provide your PayPal information. If you would rather not be paid through PayPal, you may provide your bank information or nominate another payment method. As a matter of fact, you may begin doing this right this second. If you watch this video and implement what I show you, you can start generating money immediately. Furthermore, as you can see above, Google News is constantly adding fresh items since they submit content every couple of hours. The health industry offers endless career opportunities, and as you can see, it includes several subfields such as medical treatment, counseling, diet, and exercise. That being the case, the sky is the limit in terms of your potential earnings. The more you put into developing your entrepreneurial skills, the more money you stand to make. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below, and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn money just by moving a slide bar. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented